Good morning, guys!
Morning!
Mom is helping me make breakfast.
Specialty ko yan eh.
Specialty niya. Hindi ako marunong magluto ng noodles, guys.
Lagi ulam namin umaga, tanghali, gabi.
Oh, mahirap. Tipid-tipid, guys.
Ito yung version nila na pancit canton. Mi goreng noodles.
We woke up very early kasi nagbago na yung time. It's backwards na. Oh, wow! Is that a puppet? Say good morning, Clark. Good morning to the camera. Good morning, guys. Kita mo siya. Oh, papakita siya. Papakitang gilas ang bata. Maaga kaming nagising kasi bago na yung timing. Ano bang tawag doon eh?
Daylight saving.
Daylight saving time kasi pa-winter na. So, nagbago na yung time niya. So,
Minus 1 hour.
minus 1 hour sa Philippines. So,
2 hours na lang yung pagitan.
2 hours na lang. 2 hours na lang yung pagitan sa Philippines, sa Singapore. Yan, mga ganyan. So, Clark is gonna help us make breakfast. And, wow, it's cereal. Yeah, so he's eating his cereals now. Cereals and biscuits and yogurt. This is for daddy, this is for mama. You wanna mix daddy's coffee? Gusto niya yan, palaging minimix yung coffee namin. This is your coffee,
Mixing
daddy, and eating cereals.
Did you change the nappies?
Yes, daddy.
No, not yet. Not
Yes,
yet.
yes.
Yes.
Slowly lang, slowly. Ah! Nagtsalo na! Magkaiba yan, anak.
Okay, ba?
Oo. So guys, first time niya naghanda ng breakfast. Simula ng work from home siya. Sa wakas, guys! Yeah, first time ni daddy no? Daddy! Ano siya, senior Santibanya siya tuwing work from home.
Specialty ko yung noodles. Yung dry noodles.
Oh, ako na,
Version
ako na.
ng dry noodles
Ako
nila.
na, hindi
Kaya ako
marunong.
lagi nagluluto.
Ako na hindi
No?
marunong mag-noodle.
No?
Daddy, I'm eating my biscuit.
Yung mga specialty ko, hirap lutuin yun eh. Mga pritong itlog, yan, hirap lutuin yan. Sausage, yan, hirap lutuin yan. Sardinas, corned beef, yung mga specialty ni Daddy, no, Clark? No?
Daya talaga. Tignan mo yung yung hati. Pang David and Goliath. Ay,
Hindi naman.
Ang daya.
Oh, ano gusto mo?
So guys, our menu for today is giniling na pork. Kinat na namin kagabi ni Clark yung mga ingredients. So, tinulungan niya na ako kagabi. Parang ngayon, luto-luto na lang, lagay-lagay na lang. So, garlic, carrots, potatoes, onion, tomatoes, and pork. And mamaya, maglalagay ako ng green peas. Frozen green peas yung ginagamit ko. So, guys, magluluto na ako ng giniling. Di ko alam tawag yun. Parang menudo version siya na giniling. Basta giniling din ng tomato base. So, pinapainit ko na yung kalan. Let's start cooking. Yung onion, gigisa natin yung onion. Parang ang taba-taba ko naman dito sa camera. So, garlic. I use this, guys. Minsan, pag tamad ako maghiwa, I just use this one. Ready. Ready na siya. Cut na siya. Mince na siya. Chopped garlic. Na-discover ko to sa saan ba to? Sa Melbourne. Sa Melbourne kami dati. And then, we moved here. Kasi sa work. ni Jerome. So, nagpa-move siya dito, Char. You wanna tell the camera? Sabi mo, pupu.
Dudu.
Pupu. Oh, go. Daddy, knock-knock, daddy. Daddy, pupu. So, guys, nagpupu daw siya. So, nagpupu daw si Clark. So, what are you doing? Did you? Wow! 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 Fake sleeping! Wake up, Clark! Wake up, Clark! Oh! Clark's sleeping! Should we wake him up? Wake up, Clark! 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Clark! Chiki, chiki. Oh, halika na, halika na. Please na, please. Come on, Karga. You want Karga? Bye. You don't want Karga? Come. Nagpe-fake sleeping. Nagpe-fake sleeping. Ang bata. Come on, dito ka sa likod ni Mama. Ah. Come on. I'm gonna continue my cooking series. Oh! Look at him. Look at him. Wow! What is that? A bunny? What is that? Bunny! Are you a bunny? Are you a bunny, babes? Yeah? Ah, wait. Mommy's gonna get you egg. Yun yung dapat costume niya sa ano? Sa... Anong tawag dun? Easter egg. Guys, magdo-drawing daw siya. So, i-prepare ko lang yung mga things niya. Yes, I know. Sabi ko, you go to your chair. Ayan, umakyat siya sa high chair niya. So, this is your paper. So, ipapakita niya daw kay Daddy yung ginawa niya. Daddy, look at my artwork.
Did you do that?
That's other one.
Did you do that?
A is for arrow. Nagulat ako naman. A is for arrow.
Very good. Ay, baliktad. Baliktad. Kumain na kayo?
Di pa. Gutom agad. Kakakain mo lang. Gutom agad. Mulubat na siya.
Ano ba't na? Puso mo.
So guys, here is the finished product. This is for Jerome. And this is for Clark. Clark's food. Yeah, rice. And the ginini. Get the strawberry. Get strawberry. Can I see? Whoa, eating strawberry. Yeah, I'm eating strawberry. Yum! So, I'm gonna give this to Jerome in his room. Food delivery! Food delivery for Daddy!
Aga!
Wow! Daddy, look at me, Daddy.
Aga, mami.
Eh, sabi mo, gutom ka na. Oh, ayan. Mamaya pa yung lunch eh. OA mo, porkit nandito ka sa bahay. Kakain agad. Lamon ng lamon.
Hi, Clark. Thank you.
Nagpalit siya guys kasi nagsuka. Sinuka niya yung strawberry. Ay, nay. Oh, that's all. Where's your feet? Paubot. Paubos na guys. Sa wakas, mauubos na siya. After 30 minutes. So, napaliguan ko na si Clark. Napaligo na din ako. Oh, it's dede time! Tutulugin ko lang siya. It's nap time na niya. It's 2 something na. So, it's nap time na niya. So, meron pa akong isang alaga doon sumisilip. Nakikita mo? Yun no? Si dambuhalang alaga. Nakikita mo? Ayan, patutulugin ko lang si Clark, okay? I'll see you guys later.
See you guys later. See you guys later.
Bye.